Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. It's Claudia. Happy Valentine's Day. Here's wishing all of you a sweet and special, memorable day. In this video, I have a Valentine sleigh, a bit of new makeup, new fire red hair from eBay, and a Valentine poem just for you. So sit back, get something to drink, and enjoy. And this is the final Valentine's look. I hope you like it. I hope you like it as much as I loved putting this look together. No, it's not AF as what? It's not easy. It is, I would say, perhaps an over-the-top Valentine's Day look. Maybe not to some, but to others, maybe to beginners, it's over the top. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I treated myself to some chocolates and to white rose petals. These are soft soap petals to go in the bath. If you are your own Valentine, treat yourself. You're worth it. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. I hope you receive everything your heart desires from your lover, be it your wife, your girlfriend, your husband, your boyfriend. Enjoy the moment. Be present and give all of you, not just today, as I said before, Valentine's Day, but give it every day. Every day is Valentine's Day. And I have another gift for you in this video. I'll be right back. Notice I even gave you a beauty mole. That's my first beauty mole. Oh, I'll give you this as well. This is the Me Makeover Essentials Shimmer Brush Bronze. A gift to you, my poetry. I want to be your recipe. I want to be your recipe whenever you cooking. When you gather flour, eggs, and butter, milk, oil, and baking soda to stir into batter, I can be the sugar to make your batter matter. I want to be your recipe when you stir fry. I'll be the onions to make you cry. Then you can caramelize me to add the sweet and sour to your veggie melody. I want to be your recipe when you bake your dinner bread. I'll be so still you can mold me, knead me, and jelly roll me into something delicious enough to take to bed. I want to be your recipe when you slice apples for your pie. I'll be the spice to lay across the top. I'll be the oozing hot bubbly brown syrup. I'll even be the Cool Whip dollar to make your taste buds holler. I want to be your recipe when you're blue and tired of low-fat dishes. I'll be your skillet of feel-good wishes. Full of fat and carbohydrates, I'll have you zoning faster than your brain's release of serotonin. I want to be your recipe when you spread your pizza dough. You can toss me up and twirl me, make me dizzy, say, I can't take any more. But I'll wait patiently for your pepperoni and cheese, then cover you in my spicy sauce, make you whisper, please. I want to be your recipe when you boil your collards. I'll be your ham bone, my flavor creeping through your pot, make you leave canned greens alone, 'cause I'll straight terrorize your cornbread and make your lips my own. I want to be your recipe when you grill your steak. I'll be your tenderizer, make you shiver and shake, shout, sizzle, and sputter, rhyme and sign 1,000 ways. I could be your lover, cook me into your soul's casserole, the siren. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Feliz Día de San Valentín a todos. Bye. Until the next video, it's Claudia. If you haven't subscribed already, do so. Stick around. There's more poetry, more to share, more makeup, more looks, more hauls, everything. So why would you want to go anywhere else? At least stay a while. Click this video, click that one. So we won't miss one another. Join the tribe. Join the tribe. Join the tribe. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye. Hit that notification bell on the way out. Because I see you in here. I see you in here. Just be my recipe. I'll be yours. Bye.